All right, WMC, we ran the main. Now this is our 59 entries that are eligible for the $100 side pot. So there is all of our spots that were entered in. These are all spots that bought main spots. None of the mini spots count towards this side pot. So we'll check the time, April 24th at 8:21 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have April 24th at 8:21 p.m. Again, there is the 59 main entries that we have, all eligible to win the side pot. So with 59 entries, we're going to roll 2 dice, need 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. Good luck. 9 times. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason. Spot 74 is our side pot winner. So Jason, please message me to collect the side pot. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 24th, 8:22 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.